And don't you stop the music, get into it, won't you dance?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get loose, perfect beach curls for summer. And normally I just let my hair completely air dry, but just for the sake of this video, I'm going to blow dry the rest of my hair really quick just to get moving with it. Okay, now that my hair is mostly dry, there might be a little bit some wet parts that I have to go through and just blow dry, but it's mostly dried, so I'm just gonna brush through it. And I do have like some natural wave to my hair, so if I just need something quick to do, I'll usually will just keep my hair wet, let it air dry, and spray some sea salt spray in it, and then spray a tiny bit of hairspray. I'm not the biggest fan of hairspray, but for some days it's good. So I'm just brushing through my hair. It's like 9 years long. So next, I'm just gonna take my hair and section it. So I'm just gonna take a small part from the bottom and pull it up. And then once I do this, I'll brush through it really quick. Okay, and then I just try and put it up, and then, okay, and then I'll just brush through it. And sometimes my hair's still wet under, because my hair's so thick and long that it gets, sometimes it doesn't dry all the way. So sometimes I'll have to go through and blow dry, but today it's pretty dry. And then I'll just spray a little bit of hairspray on my hair before I curl it. I know it's kind of weird, but I feel like it actually keeps my curling way better. So I just spray it a little bit and then brush it out. Okay, and then next I'm gonna take, I've had this Hot Tools curling iron for literally so long, and I took the thing that, like the clamp, I took it off. And I think this is just like a 1-inch curling iron, but it's awesome because now it's like a wand, and it's getting really old. I actually have a couple different ones that I use. I use T3 Micro too. I just feel like this one's a lot stronger. I feel like it gets hotter and it holds my curl better. So I'm just gonna take a piece, and literally this is all I do, is just wrap it around the curling iron. And then the pieces towards the end, I kind of go like back and forth, just because I don't like when it's completely curled at the end. And then when I let go, I hold it for a second and then I drop it, and it'll be super curly at first, but don't worry about it, it will look good at the end. So I'm just gonna do this to the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna curl the rest, and then I'll show you the last couple steps at the end. Okay, so I just finished curling all my hair, and as you can see, the ends, I love how the ends are just like super loose, and from just not wrapping it all the way around at the end is what creates that. And one other thing is, you always want to make sure that when you're curling your hair, you curl it away from your face so that it kind of gives you like a wind blowing-esque look. Okay, and then for the last thing that I do, I take this Dry Bar Mai Tai spritzer. It will focus. And I just spray it all through my hair. Another one that I love is Not Your Mother's sea salt spray. And you can get it from like Walmart. I'll show you what it looks like so that you can see. That one's more expensive, but I do like this one a lot better. But Not Your Mother's is a good alternative for sure. I use that one just as much. This one, I say I would use it just more for like special occasions, if I really want my hair to like look its absolute best. Okay, and then next I'll just do a little bit of hairspray at the end. Since I already hairsprayed it every time before I curled it, I personally don't like I like the more undone, messy look. So depending on your hair type, it should last like a couple days from spraying your hair before like curling it, but it's just different with everybody. So this is the final look. Okay, so this is the Not Your Mother's that I was telling you about. This is super bomb if you don't want to spend a lot of money on sea salt spray, and it honestly works so good. So this is the final look, and it's hard to see my hair, I think, because I have such dark hair, but like I said, like the bottoms, I love how they're like so just like they look kind of what's the word, like you didn't put a lot of effortless, they look effortless. And I have bangs right now and I'm trying to grow them out a little bit more. Well, I have layers, but anyways, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Bye.